Hi guys, this is Suraj Gupta, and in the last video we have seen the introduction to HTML. And I hope now you have understood what is HTML and why we use HTML. In this video we will see the basic structure of HTML. Let me open my VS Code editor. So create one file named index.html. The first thing we need to write is doc type HTML. This line indicates that we are using the latest version of HTML, which is HTML5. Our whole document should be inside the HTML tag. So the next tag we should write is HTML tag. If I take the example of a web page, let's say, so this is a web page. A web page has two parts, heading part and the body part. Heading part contains title of the web page, icons of the web page, meta description, and what kind of encoding we are using. And in the body part, all the contents goes in the body part. Heading part of the web page goes under the heading tag. Because the title is the one of the attribute of the web page. Let's give some title. Our actual content of the web page should be inside the body tag. Now place your cursor here and press the right click of your mouse and copy the path of this file and enter the part in the browser. This file is empty. It is because we have not written anything inside the body tag. So let's write something. Now refresh the page. Now we got the output. So guys, this was the basic structure of the HTML. And whenever we create a new HTML document, we will follow this structure. And I hope you have understood the basic structure of HTML. Thanks for watching.